First tonight, a live Pinpoint Weather 12 severe weather alert. A live look from our camera at Kettle Point at the Providence skyline. Some strong storms are approaching far northern Rhode Island.
We've already seen some strong wind gusts. We got this photo showing a tree that fell on top of a car near Scituate High School this afternoon. We're told the driver was waiting in the parent pickup line when a gust of wind brought the tree down. The driver, thankfully, is okay tonight.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca joins us from the Forecast Center. And Tony, what are you tracking right now?
Especially north and west of Providence, Mike and Shannon, from roughly Franklin, Mass, Blackstone, Mass, Woonsocket, Burrillville, over into Connecticut, Woodstock, Putnam, Thompson. It's a damaging line of storms. They've had a history of knocking down some trees and wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Skies in downtown Providence are getting dark. It's not stormy yet, but these storms will be approaching the city very shortly. So naturally, let's start with Doppler radar and take a closer look. And it's this ribbon of orange, red, and yellow north and west of the city ahead of the fast-moving cold front. This is a squall line of downpours, very heavy rain, lightning, and some damaging wind gusts. And it's moving very rapidly south and east at about 50 miles per hour. So getting real close, and it stretched from Boston all the way down through the northern part of the state into northeastern Connecticut, and it's racing off to the south and east. Out ahead of it, the areas in red, it is a severe thunderstorm warning until 6:45. And some of these warnings may get extended towards Providence Point south and east later on in the evening. But most of this should actually be offshore and gone as early as 8 o'clock. That's how fast this whole line is moving to the south and east. And again, it's these areas in red from Boston to the northwest corner of the state and northeastern Connecticut. The severe thunderstorm warning till 6:45. We have our lightning tracker turned on. Numerous cloud to ground lightning strikes. When we take it into the future on our forecast, this is 6 o'clock in the evening, and it shows the line passing through. Here we are. Actually, this is 6 o'clock in the evening. Right in here by 6:30, 7 o'clock, it's moving into southeastern Massachusetts, and then the whole thing is pushing offshore by 8 o'clock. So these strong storms, even surviving the trip towards the coastline by 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening. And then beyond that, skies will be clear and dry, but the strong wind gusts will continue, but not nearly as strong as what's occurring in some of these thunderstorms right now. Really need to be weather aware. Next hour to hour and a half, we'll get another look at the Doppler radar. A lot of important things to cover. All the details coming up in a few minutes.